pitch. I'll go over that real quick. We talked about LLTC. We talked about DGX, Lilly, Masco. These are the areas of stocks that we talked about. None of them really hit, so we're gonna go over those as well as others. What I want to focus in on and conclude here is that we have market moving events this week, and in the bond market we have a situation where the spread between notes and bonds has weakened and made a new yearly low. As you can see, bonds have not. Typically, when the spread weakens, the individual markets weaken too. It's a clue. It's a hint. It's giving us an edge. It's not a guarantee, but it's generally speaking, if those spreads narrow, that means there's weaker prices coming. And so I think this week, one of the things you focus in on is a couple trade ideas. A snapback. I don't think there's a chance if this market's truly bearish, this market should not get to these weekly moving averages. If the market is truly bearish, it's not going to even get close to those numbers. In fact, you probably get it to like maybe, let's switch to a daily chart real quick. All right, so on a daily chart, you know, you probably won't even, and look at last week's range was mostly 1 day. It was, you know, the unemployment report. So I would say a midpoint into like the 130, I would say slightly underneath 133, 132, 26 or so. And I'm going to leave this up on the chart so we can review it possibly next week. So 1 or 2 days of decline in there. We've already breached the monthly support. Let me turn on my quarterly support just to give you an idea. For the quarter, we actually came close to the quarterly resistance. I was hoping to see us rally a little bit higher so we can get a short off in the market there. As you can see, the quarterly pivots. It's giving us a narrowly defined